Spoštovani mediji, danes je na dvodnevni obisk prišel načelnik italijanskih oboroženih sil general Claudio Graziani. Poleg najnega srečanja se bo srečal še z ministrico za obrambo, odborom za obrambo in tudi predsednikom države gospodom Borutom Pahorjem. Pri tem povratnem obisku gre za načrtovano srečanje z namenom vzdrževati dobre dvostranske odnose med slovensko in italijansko vojsko, poleg tega pa tudi sprejeti določene dogovore za nadaljnje sodelovanje v naslednjih letih. Italija je v skupini držav, kjer ima oba načelnika visoko prioriteto dvostranskega sodelovanja. Posebno področje pozitivnega skupnega sodelovanja predstavlja sodelovanje na mednarodnih operacijah, kot so Kosovo, Libanon, Afganistan, Mali in seveda tudi EU, NAVFOR, SOFIA na Mediteranu. Posebej bi izpostavil podporo, ki smo bili deležni strani italijanskih kolegov na operaciji EU NAVFOR SOFIA. Partnersko sodelovanje pri razvoju NATO centra odličnosti za gorsko bojevanje v Poljčah, kjer je Slovenija popolnjuje mesto direktorja centra, Italija pa namestnika direktorja centra odličnosti za gorsko bojevanje. Utečeno poteka tudi sodelovanje v strukturi več nacionalnih sil kopenske vojske skupaj z Madžarsko. Za vodilno vlogo Italije načrtujemo tudi sodelovanje v NATO-ovih hitro odzivnih silah, tako imenovanih Very High Readiness Joint Task Force. Veliko imamo tudi skupnih usposabljanj na obeh straneh, temu bomo tudi v prihodnje namenili še več pozornosti. S kolegom generalom Grazianom bo obiskala tudi še NATO center odličnosti za gorsko bojevanje. Spoštovani mediji, hvala.
General, please.
Thank you. So I go in English, yes? Yes. I want to thank a lot my dear friend for this invitation and for the opportunity to be here in that quarter of Slovenian Armed Forces and to take this opportunity to emphasize two important elements. That is the extremely good relation between our armed forces that are even more than cooperation, but is a strong brotherhood, a strong sharing of interest, a sharing strength of strategic commitment abroad and in the interest of our countries and in the interest of the international organization we take part together. And of course, the second one is a demonstration of our close friendship, that in reality is a close friendship that I have seen between all the Slovenian and Italian soldiers, sailors, airmen, and carabinieri in any occasion. That is what is the reality of the relation between our two countries, Slovenia and Italy. I consider this alliance and this relation, this cooperation strategic because we are all part of a small Adriatic world, but is the center of Europe, is the heart of Europe, is the heart of our civilization and our culture. Is important that is preserved, it is important we send around this message of unity, of cohesion, and of common development. As General said, we have many places we are together in the field, starting from Kosovo to Afghanistan, to the sea, to the Operation Sophia, and to many others that maybe will come. And what is more, we are cooperating for the future, for the adaptation, transformation of the security system in Europe, here with the mountain training center, in which we are enthusiastic participating, and with a strong units, strong initiatives that maybe is the strongest in this. That is the multinational land forces that already had the opportunity to operate abroad, and that I think there is a common willing not only to maintain, but also to increase in terms of capacity, in terms of ability to respond and to answer to a challenging world, a world in which we have new threats coming from the south, new threats coming from extremism, terrorism. We have to find new way of answering, and this way of giving answer can only be multinational, because in my experience in many operations, multinationality is also something that means immediately legality and acceptability by other countries. But it's important that happen between countries that understand each other, as that can be the bulk of a grouping of nations. Now there is a lot of coalition of willing. Coalition, for sure, it can be a good answer as long as this country understand have the common values and the common goals. I think is what here we are to establish, to reinforce, and I think there is an extremely good future for our relation. And what is more, really, I feel here at home, and I think it's a common feeling for all the Italians, and I hope it's the same for Slovenian, in a moment, I think, in which our country are the closest, maybe, in all our continents. So thank you for this opportunity. Thank you to all of you. Thank you for this attention. Thank you.